last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises. The latest were recorded in the Battlefords last weekend. John Baglieri has more on the strange occurrence that could have a very logical explanation.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. To others,
Make it
a
bad, put
mariner's
on your
horn.
detective caps. Bink, because we've got a bit of a YouTube mystery on our hands. This video is from Conklin, an area in Alberta, Canada. You see some workers here, and they're filming because there are some strange and eerie sounds in the forest.
What?
And the sound repeats. Listen. Here's the thing. There are a lot of these videos circulating YouTube right now. This is just the latest, the one from Canada. There are videos coming from Sweden, Hungary, Costa Rica, all with similar strange sounds.
What?
Викликом землі та швидко записали їх до чергової ознаки близького кінця світу. Усі користувачі переконують, що теж чули дивні звуки.
Ми в четвер, 11 числа, вранці, 5-6 ранку, на Борщагівці теж чули дивні звуки. Заснути неможливо, бо моторошно. Я живу в 3 хвилинах від місця. Коли чув цей звук, згадав фільм «Монстро». Ледь у штани не наклав.
Це якраз той двір, у якому було зроблено загадкове відео.
Emergency officials in Lower Bucks County have also received numerous calls about a large boom and the ground shaking, just like some folks were describing out here.
So far, no explanation of what happened here, but it really got the attention of a lot of people, even as far away as Ben Salem, reporting that they felt that their homes were shaking. Police radio have received a lot of calls. The police have received calls.
Don't go out there. You see anything? I know it's coming from there somewhere. I don't like how close that thing is. Oh.
Gotta get the kids in the
It was just so intense, and as a result of that, I got involved. I contacted the Ministry of the Environment to find out what the issue was and to find out what they knew about it.
the lightning. Keep watching the lightning.
What is that?
That is them. They come down in capsules, riding the lightning into the ground, into the machines, right?
You hear that? We're getting the hell out of here.
Hey, were you on that plane? That's too bad. It would have been a really great story.
No one would have believed in the early years of the 21st century that our world was being watched by intelligences greater than our own. That as men busied themselves about their various concerns, they observed and studied. The way a man with a microscope might scrutinize the creatures that swarm and multiply in a drop of water. With infinite complacency, men went to and fro about the globe, confident of our empire over this world. Yet, across the gulf of space, intellects, vast and cool and unsympathetic, regarded our planet with envious eyes, and slowly and surely drew their plans against us.